In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Systeme.io discount. We'll walk through the process of creating a coupon code inside your Systeme.io account so you can offer special deals to your customers quickly and confidently. First, log into your Systeme.io account and head over to the main dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Assets. Instead of clicking it right away, move your mouse over it and hover. A drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, choose Coupons. This is where all of your discount codes will be created and managed. Once you're on the Coupons page, look to the top right corner and click the Create button to start setting up a new coupon. A pop-up window will open where you'll define all the details for your discount. Start by giving your coupon a clear, descriptive name. For example, you might call it Welcome Discount, so you know it's meant for new customers. This internal name is just for your reference, so choose something that makes it easy to recognize later. Next, type in the actual coupon code that your customers will enter at checkout. This can be alphanumeric, like Welcome 10, or simply a word if you prefer. Aim for something short, easy to remember, and easy to type, since your customers will be using this code directly. Now choose the discount type. You have two options here. You can set a fixed amount discount, which takes off a specific amount of money, or you can set a percentage discount, which removes a percentage of the order total. If you choose a fixed amount, enter the exact discount value and make sure the correct currency is selected. If you choose a percentage, enter a number between 1 and 100, depending on how generous you want the discount to be. After that, click on the expiration field. Another pop-up will appear, allowing you to set the date and time when the coupon will no longer be valid. This is useful for limited time offers or promotions. Once you've picked your expiration, set the limit of use. This defines how many times the coupon can be applied before it stops working, which helps you control your promotion. When everything looks good, scroll down and click Save at the bottom of the pop-up. Wait a moment for the page to reload. Once it finishes, you'll see your newly created discount code listed on the coupons page, ready to be used in your offers and funnels.